Hello everyone. So finally my bike is fixed. Like I had mentioned in my previous YouTube shorts, my bike was having an issue with the throttle cable. So I've changed the complete cable now. I got the cable for around 170 rupees and I've changed it from a local mechanic. So and Sunday morning ride. So let's go. I've stopped for a breakfast at McDonald's. I had a veg muffin and a egg burger. So let's continue. I'm going towards Marway, so I've stopped at Hari Colony. This is one of my favorite places in Mumbai. Whenever I miss my Sunday ride, I come here for a short spin and I feel refreshed. I don't know why I find this place really positive and a small ride around Hari Colony and I feel refreshed. It's my to go place. So I've crossed Marway and I'm heading towards Aksa Beach now. And after Aksa Beach, there's Danapani Beach, which is where I'm heading towards. Here we have reached Danapani. I always choose this over Aksa because it's less crowded and Aksa I find quite chaotic. It's always a lot of crowd over there, so I avoid Aksa Beach. Danapani Beach gives me Goa vibes. As you can see, it's so empty and secluded. It's very similar to South Goa, as beaches in South Goa are like that, very empty and secluded. Thankfully, it's not raining, so I can spend some time here. There's low tide as well, because as you can see, the water is quite far. I'm not sure though how clean the water is, so I never enter the water. These rocks are quite similar to Marine Drive. However, these are natural rocks. As you can see, it's quite steep as well here. Let me show it to you. Now you can see how steep it is. So to be careful while walking over here. And the edges of the rocks are very sharp, so you should be careful while walking here. You can also walk towards the beach, but I have my bike parked here, so I don't want to risk. I'm not sure if it's safe to park the bike over here, as I'm the only one who's parked here. But you can see people walking towards the beach, and ahead of this is Aksa Beach. Bike is working good, thankfully. I've completed 5 years with my bike, and you can clearly see the signs of aging. There's paint chipped off and quite a scratch marks on the bike, but I've not covered it anywhere. You can also see rust here, but I've not covered any part of it. I like the way it is. These are scars of aging on my bike, and I like it. I've come a little ahead of Danapani, and you can see everyone's playing cricket. It's kind of nostalgia. We used to play cricket during the school days and college days, but now we have no time. Everyone's got busy with work and all. Can just watch and enjoy. So many bikes parked here Sunday morning. And here I found my favorite Classic 350. It's the black stealth edition. It looks very beautiful in person, but it'll be very difficult to maintain it. It's black matte. If you don't get time to go to gym, or if you don't like to go to gym and lift weights, playing a sports is quite a good thing. Keep your body in good shape. 1 hour of playing some sports will help you to keep a good physical body and be physically fit. So this is the end of the Sunday ride. I'll be heading back home now. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll be bringing more motorcycle related videos and travel videos whenever I travel. You can see some guys getting into the water. Time to head back home now. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.